Okay, last but in no way least, we got some more action going on here. This is another eBay purchase. And they've really got some nice boxes here. They're protecting the shipment. That's nice. That's really good. See, it's good to have a eBay seller that actually takes care of packaging, and of course, yeah, right, okay, yeah, you knew, you know me. See, when I say in a video, I have to have more in my life. Well, my credit card says, sure, why not? What do we have here? Normal stuff. And this is a Chevalier 2. Really, really cool. I'm not crazy about orange, but this burnt orange I think could really wear on me quite well. This knife, if I'm not mistaken, was a used knife. Of course, the blade doesn't necessarily tell you that. I see a little bit of damage to the edge there, so it's been abused a small amount, which I can take that out with a nice sharpening. So we'll do a sharpening on that to take it out. I'll try to get some close-ups of that damage to the blade, and we will show it. And you look at the blade and you turn it like this, you can see some flat spots. So it's actually, some people did some stuff to this blade they shouldn't have. It feels like they tried to sharpen it, but they didn't get the burr off, and so I don't know. But anyway, I'm glad I ended up with it. It's flippy floppy like all of them. And say you've got a, let's see, you've got a button, a flipper deployment. You can, I can't do it there, but let's see. I can flicky flick it using this this little groove here, whatever that is. So again, well, come on, let's do this right. So you got 2 deployments, or 3 technically, that you can use. If you can get that, your thumb on that, you could actually flick it out with that. But my thumb just doesn't, it can't grab, because my calloused fingers just roll right over that. I don't get any purchase on it. So this right here is awesome. I like it. I like that sheepsfoot blade, and that's mainly the reason why I wanted this knife, is because of that. It's all that CIVIVI goodness. It is all that CIVIVI goodness and more. I'd really love to be sponsored by CIVIVI, to be honest with you, but I'm a nobody, and so there's no way they would ever try to do that. It's like your life doesn't start on YouTube unless you're monetized. But that's okay. I'm having fun, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. D10 is nice. It's not super hard. You can shake it out, but you have to really work at it. Tip up carry, reversible, button lock. It's got all the stuff I like, and that burnt orange is just steadily working on me. I really like it. So again, we're going to do a full review on this later, and I'm going to get all the CIVIVI knives together, and we're going to take a look at all of them, the positives and negatives, and what I do and don't like, and kind of compare them to one another. So anyway, I appreciate you watching for this long. I hope you enjoy what you're seeing, and if so, I would ask that you would subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.